My name is Troy Lyden. I am the Vice President of Operations. I work for Embraer in Nashville, Tennessee. This is the largest project we've ever taken on of this scale ourselves. It's also the largest repair that has ever been conducted on an E-jet for Embraer.
With the amount of skins that need change, vertical coming off, horizontal, the coordination needed, the time frame needed, it's been a pretty big eye-opener on what can be done by a qualified maintenance group.
So this is an enormous project. It's the biggest we've done here in Nashville. There's 25 skins to change, both horizontal stab upper skins, which is a big job in itself. The vertical stabilizer has to come off. There's 22 skins on the aircraft that are getting changed, all the way from the nose to the tail, and some of them are really large. The biggest one we're doing so far is the right-hand overwing, and it's about 19 feet long, and just the sheer logistics of getting it on and off the airplane in order to drill it is difficult.
So we've got the aft section of the aircraft right now on the vertical. So we have the vertical that's going to have to be removed. That way we're able to change out this skin and the opposite side skin. So that'll be a first for Embraer to see a vertical removed in an actual maintenance platform instead of a manufacturing platform.
We started planning this thing probably about 4 years ago. This aircraft right here was in our facility 6 years ago for the hail damage inspection, and we've been working closely with SkyWest to plan skins, getting everything ordered, and then over the last 3 to 6 months we started planning execution. Then started the communication with FEAM and bringing them into our plan. We did weekly meetings, for everything from tooling and shoring, engineering coordination. All of those things went real smoothly, and you're always nervous when you take on a project of this size. And real quickly, the partnership between SkyWest, us as Embraer, and FEAM has gone seamlessly, and so far to date it has been a great experience, I think, on all three fronts.
When the aircraft comes in for maintenance, for what we do, we'll end up gutting the entire airplane. So as you can tell, all your cabin interior gets pulled out, all your labs, all your seating, carpet, everything gets pulled, and then you have just the insulation and the aircraft itself. So once we get to a panel section, we'll actually pull all the insulation and we'll bag it, tag it, put it up. That way, once we're done with the repair itself, we're able to actually put everything back in order the way it came. But then it goes back to a normal aircraft after that, and then people get to fly on it again.
It has been a great experience working with FEAM MMR. I've been most impressed with their efficiency and planning. They have a great plan going into even their daily tasks, and everyone works together to meet those goals. It's also a very big project, so there's a lot of oversight. It takes a lot of focus and manpower to keep it going.
It's been a great experience partnering with FEAM. We started this project a few months ago with planning, setting up what we needed done with them. And they have been tremendous through the entire process. The communication has been great, the back and forth with just concerns, issues, how we're going to plan it. They have been very communicative, lots of ideas, very professional, and they really showed the knowledge level they have in these type of repairs.
The workmanship and craftsmanship that their team has done has been a very high level, where we would expect it to be, even if we were performing this ourselves. We're very, very impressed so far with their support on this project.
My team, from leadership down to the technician, has done an amazing job. That's extended into FEAM and working with them. I can't say enough about how the coordination between the two groups has just, we've gelled tremendously. And I'm super proud of what the team is doing, what the FEAM team's doing, and how we work together.